Recycling is a complex topic, and the picture varies dramatically across our global footprint. Some communities have strong existing support, but others don't. One way we're transforming glass manufacturing is by trying to increase our recycled content to 60% on average. It's important to understand that glass packaging has only 4 simple basic ingredients: limestone, soda ash, silica sand, and recycled glass. And we call this recycled glass cullet. Cullet melts at a lower temperature, so when we can increase the level of cullet that goes into our batch, the furnaces require less energy, and this results in fewer emissions. You can see why keeping glass in the manufacturing stream and out of the landfill is so important to OI. We're reaching out across our network of customers, suppliers, and communities to creatively find innovative solutions to capture glass and put it right back into our manufacturing stream. Fostering local recycling ecosystems plays an important role in our larger sustainability strategy as we transform OI into the most competitive glass packaging producer in the world through the power of glass.